the best way to start a YouTube channel, especially as a business owner, is knowing your who and your what. Who is this content for? And what problem does it solve? Entrepreneurs solve problems for a profit. So what problem am I solving and how am I doing that with content? So when someone finds you and you state maybe a problem, you agitate a problem that they feel, are you frustrated because your tax bill is too high at the end of the year? Let's say you're a CPA creating content. And the person's like, I am frustrated. Do you want to know the top 5 tax strategies for saving money? And so the hook grabs the right audience, because who you help is business owners that want to figure out taxes and save money on taxes. And then you deliver some good information, like as long as it's audible and it's somewhat coherent, especially, and here's the key, if it just solves the problem, then you're going to create so much goodwill in the process, no matter what you look like, what you sound like. And maybe your skill set is not ready at that moment to really scale to the masses, but it's absolutely ready at the moment you're listening to this to get a few new clients, to get your confidence up, to start creating content, to start building your brand. Like, you can make progress on the way. The progress has not got to be that far out, especially for business owners. A lot of them are like, I go, how many new clients do you even really need? They're like 3 a month. I'm like, so why are you trying to go viral? Like, if you need 3 clients, just, you don't need to do much. And so I think you're overthinking it. And then ultimately you got to just start. You cannot steer a parked car. And once you start, now you could be like, okay, cool. I should turn the air conditioning lower so I don't have those sweat beads on my head. All right, cool. This color doesn't really look good on me. I'm gonna wear this color instead. That stuff really.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.